This is the crowd boom going in and out. It stops right there, see? Now I can back up. Pull the crowd boom in. Nothing. See? It stops right there. That's why I got no hydro. There's a transport gone in the ditch here. Transport has gone in the ditch here. Taking out hydro poles, wires. Took out the hydro pole. They're pretty good. Hydro guys even down the road here. Today is what is today? Today is Sunday, June the 7th, I think. My hydro went out about 2 hours ago. I'm rained out from using the backhoe, and so I'm going to town to get a few things. But just as I was leaving, the hydro went out, and with over 200 chicks on board, I had to service the generator and get it fired up so that the heat lamps would work. And because it's only like 38 degrees this morning. It was nice and warm yesterday. So I got the heat lamp going, and I had to feed the baby calves, so I needed a generator to get water out of the well so I could mix up their milk replacer. I got them fed about an hour late, but oh well, that's the way it goes. And yeah, that transport took out a whole hydro pole, so the wires were down on his truck. Probably going to be many hours before that is replaced, because they're going to have to float one of those track machines in to auger a new hole to put up a new post. It's down there in a swamp. It was one of those ones that had one of those big, huge 8 or 10 foot culverts at the base of the pole full of rocks for an anchor. So everybody's got heat lamps on now, on generator standby power. I haven't had to use that generator in 2 years. I did start it up earlier in the spring, and I knew I had to service it, but just never got around to it. Okay, talk to you later. This is Sunday, June 14th. You can see we've had a heavy frost last night. Look at the frost on everything. The sun hasn't hit yet. We had a heavy frost Friday night as well. I got my tomato plants. Yeah. The side windows of my truck got frost on them. Cab, my roof of my truck's got frost on it. It was frost here, but it's wet now. The sun's hit it already. But pretty heavy frost too, because look, watch this. Yeah. Whew. And here's an update on this older group of 3 calves. The center one is a beef cross. The other ones are Holstein. I think these red ones have got some other beef in them too, because of the feistiness and the more different face. All 3 of these have been sick with scours. But they like to fight for the other food. This beef cross here, he's the fastest eater, so he finishes before the rest, and he likes to try and take over everybody else's, just like this guy here does too. And we have to play coach here with them. I let them suck a little bit on my fingers after they tail eat. You guys cut it out. Yeah, you guys cut it out. Yeah, 2 nights in a row frost, and I didn't bring my tomato plants in last night or the night before, so they've been hit a little bit by frost. Yeah. Then we'll go over here, and we have a younger group. The Holstein here, another red here, and we have a beef cross here. This is a Frankfurt. No, it was used in Europe back in the 1800s as a draft mule, and Fairling, I have to look it up again. I can't remember the name off the top of my head here. But it was a multi-purpose for meat, a draft mule, and milk. Actually, I never heard of them until I got that one. Come on, you. Hey. Quish. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. This one likes to play around eating a little bit. He's the youngest. I think he's, what, 4 days old now. And that, I got that beef cross at the far end the same day, but he's about 6 days old. And this guy here is about 8 days old. And so far, these ones have been good. I got them all off of cattle trucks. I just got these two just night before last. And this one I got 3 days ago. I'll peek in on our turkeys here. Yeah. You guys have cleaned up all your feed, eh? Of course, they filled their water up with sawdust. That's the turkeys that I got on the 2nd of March, or 2nd of June, I should say. We all done? Now we gotta go mix up 2 more pails for the other guys, eh? Okay. Here we have our 2 pregnant sows and our boar. Up here we have our Belgian blue laying down there sunning himself, and we have our 1 Angus cross heifer there that'll leave in August for breeding. And we have our Holstein steer there, and then we have our other Angus heifer cross that she'll be leaving too in August for breeding for the first time. You can see I got my hydro line all cleared out of all the trees and stuff down there. It's all been opened up. You see the big brush pile down there. That took some doing with that damn excavator with no power. So that's just a roundup that everybody's here today. Usually these guys are off in the field or in the bush eating, but they're all here this morning. What's your problem? What's your problems? Hmm? I see I gotta come out and spray some fly stuff, eh? And the flies are after you again today. Oh! Yeah, flies are after you today. You're gonna fill up your water bucket, you dumped it. That's always handy.